Today we'll talk of some basic operators that are used in Google which makes our search easier, and then we'll see how do we combine these operators to get a better result in Google. Let's say you want to search for the sites which has in URL it has .gov, right? So if you search like this, you say in URL column .gov.in, it will give you all the sites which has an extension of gov.in. So you can change it to any other in URL site as well. Here you can even use a regular expression saying star.gov.uk. So it will give you all these sites which has an extension of gov.uk. I can do this for only in, only UK. I can do whatever I like. So let's say I want to see all sites which has dot in the URL, and file type is XLSX. So all the URLs which has a file type has XLSX, and then it has .in the URL. So if you see now, I've got this SLXX file. So you can look for the other results also, it will have the same. So we are combining two things. Now you can also do it like just the file type as dot xls, right? So it will give you all xlsx files. Likewise, you can search for all these operators. I'll give you in the description section all these operators. So you can do a in title, all in title, in URL, all in URL, in text, all in text, and file type kind of operators can be used for making your search in Google easier to find, right? And then even you can, if you know how to search for, let's say, SHTML file. Now what is SHTML? It gives us all the video links that are there on the internet, exposed on the internet. So even if you are configuring a video for your home, most of the times the installation guy exposes it in the internet unknowingly. So you can cross check if your house cameras or video cameras are exposed on the internet, and then you can look for taking a preventive step. So here I am saying give me all SHTML files. So I'll show you a demo. Now I am going to, so this should be in URL. Okay, now let's see. I go to see, I can see all unprotected cameras. So you can browse to wherever you want to see. Let's say I go somewhere. And then I can change the location, say India. Okay, there is no India for this, but you can look for your kind of country, your city, and see if your camera is not exposed on internet, right? So you can do that using the operators in Google search engine.